Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to subscribe to a Twitch channel. Follow these easy steps to subscribe to a Twitch channel. First of all, open twitch.tv and make sure to sign into your Twitch account. Once done, just go to the channel, which channel you want to subscribe. Once you are in the channel page, here click on subscribe. And now click on subscribe again, and here next to subscribe, here you will get the subscribe price. Now just click on subscribe, and here you can change subscribe renew option. You can select every 1 month, or you can select 3 months or 6 months. Once done, here you will get total amount of subscription. Now scroll down. Here you have to select your payment method. To use credit or debit cards, click on it. And now all you have to need, just enter here your card informations and check this box, and then all you have to need, just click on continue. And this is how we can subscribe our Twitch channel. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.